Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jackie from ThinkMo Education. In this video, we mainly talk about one question: which track is the best for CCIE to study? Many students are a little hesitant when taking the CCIE exam. The track of CCIE include the enterprise infrastructure, security, service provider, data centers, and so on. So which one should we test? Attention everyone. The first CCIE certificate, we usually choose CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure because of the CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure certificate contains the most conventional enterprise networking technology. For example, routing protocols, deployment of switches, and security technologies like VPN, wireless, SD, SD-WAN, and so on. When preparing for the second or third CCIE certificate, you can choose security or service provider. We all know when you choose another track, mainly because it's future work, these techniques will be used more often. For example, if you work in an operator or an internet data center, at this time you need to focus on more technologies in different directions. In short, due to the needs of the work, the technical focus is different. When you are on a particular board, you need to use more in-depth technical points. So we will choose second or third track. If you hesitant, then the fourth track must choose CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure. The content of this issue is over. Or if you have any more questions, you can private message me or join our chat group. If you found it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel. See you next time, everyone.